Hello guys, today our friends at YVmove have sent us this pickleball paddle. It does have a T700 raw carbon fiber surface. Let's unbox it and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. Look how beautiful this pickleball paddle is. Okay, it does have this special surface and also the handle right here. Let me take this wrapper off of this. Okay. The grip right here is definitely anti-slip. It's very light. Okay, this is gonna definitely, give us a better performance while playing. This is the eraser right here for the pickleball paddle, and we also get extra strap just in case this one wears off after time. You can definitely have a replacement. Okay, and on the bottom of this, this is the pickleball paddle cover. The pickleball paddle cover has a strap where you can actually put your hand through it and it will easy carry it. It will also prevent if in case you accidentally drop your pickleball paddle. Now this pickleball paddle has a 7-layer structure, features 5 inner T700 carbon layer and an ultra thin fiberglass base layer and a 12K carbon fiber face. Okay, this is what makes this a little bit a rough surface, okay, so that way the ball don't slip and you have a better hit. It does have a Teflon surface. This is laser engraved, okay, as you can tell right there. Look at that nice design on the edge, okay. Definitely looks very premium and very nice. This actually has a 16mm propylene honeycomb and actually weighs 7.7 ounces, okay, very light. This pickleball paddle is even used by the professionals, is USAPA approved. It has an ultimate spin and consistency. It's very light. It has a very nice look. It looks very premium. The materials are very good quality. You get all this accessories with it. Even the packaging is very nice. So I hope that the information about this pickleball paddle by our friends at YVmove was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.